Hey you guys, your man K Smooth. Welcome to another edition of RWKSD. And you're riding with K Smooth and the Dominator. Yes indeed. Today is Friday, December 27th. Chilling at a 77 degrees. December 27th. Friday. 77 degrees, you guys. You know I had to get the Dominator out. You know I had to get the Dominator out. Today is too pretty, too beautiful to not to ride. Man, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful day. Don't have a topic. Just getting out riding. Enjoying this 2 days after Christmas. Enjoying it. Hey, did you guys have a good Christmas? Did you guys have a great Christmas? Don't say you didn't, because if you're listening to me, you did. You still here. You still here. So evidently you had a great Christmas. Might not have been what you wanted, but yet still, it was great. Still here. Guys, I'm just riding out, getting me a ride in. I haven't rode my bike in 2 months. It's been a long time, 2 months. 2 whole months. So I decided I'll go and get out and on this picture perfect day. Picture perfect day. This morning it stormed. Before this morning it was storming. Later on it stopped around 10 o'clock this morning. The present time is 2:26 in the afternoon. Turned out beautiful, lovely. Such a lovely day. And I had to get out on the Dominator. Get me a ride in. Don't do it. Stay right there. That's right. She started to pull out in front of me, but I'm glad she didn't. People act like they can't see you, but you see me. You see me. Got a nice bowl of turnip greens sitting right there on the tailgate of the truck. You guys like turnip greens? I like them all. Mustard, turnip, cabbage, collards. I eat them all. They're good for you. Yeah, I love them all. I like my vegetables. Broccoli. I'll even eat spinach. It's kind of warm behind this shield. Let it up some so I can get me some fresh air. Just riding out, you guys. Not really a serious topic. Got a question for you guys. Have you guys been watching my shorts? I have created a lot of shorts, and I've gotten a lot of few compliments and a lot of views. I've gotten a lot of views, and I thank you guys for paying attention to my videos. Stopping at another red light. It's kind of warm with this jacket on. Bike temperature says 78 degrees. Close to 80 degrees. Come on over, baby. Come on over. Come on over. There you go. Yeah, 78 degrees, you guys. On this December 27th. 2 days after Christmas. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, I think I'll go this way. I think I'll go this way. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood, you guys. I'm in a good mood. It's a beautiful day. Have my health and strength. Woke up to see another brand new day, even though it was storming. I'm not just talking about raining. It was lightning and thundering, the wind blowing and storming. That was that same storm that the tornadoes came through Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, came on to Mississippi. But thank God, He spared us one more time. That's my God doing it again. I guess that's why I'm so grateful, so happy, so thankful. I'm still here. On this beautiful day. Today is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. It is. You know that saying they say, the quiet before the storm? This is the quiet after the storm. This is the quiet after the storm. And I'm loving it. Yes, I am. So what did you guys do for Christmas? Did you go anywhere? Did you spend a lot of money? I spent too much money. But I thank God that I had it to spend. Some people didn't have it to spend. Some people went in debt, trying to purchase things for others and themselves, to make others happy and make themselves happy. But I thank God that I'm not in that dilemma. Sproles! It's my boy Sproles. Had to pull up on me. He rides a Gold Wing. He rides with us. He rode with us one time. Had to change that around. Yes, indeed, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna let you guys see how K Smooth is doing it on today. The red light is out. Might have came from the storm last night. You have to do the four-way stop. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to hold you guys up. I just want to come on, let you guys know that K Smooth's still here, still producing those videos. If you like this video, give me a big, big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Leave me some comments, you guys. Leave me some comments. I will get back with you. And share. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. And I will see you guys on my next ride. I will see you guys on my next ride. So remember, nothing happens to us in life. Everything happens for us. Can you guys see the Christmas decoration? And always remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. On that note, You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.